Welcome. The music you are about to hear is tuned to 432 Hertz, a frequency that resonates with the natural rhythm of the universe, with the vibration of the human heart, with the mathematics of nature itself. As you drift to sleep tonight, this frequency will work through you, calming your nervous system, slowing your brain waves, allowing your body to enter its deepest healing state. You don't need to do anything. Just breathe and let the frequency do its work. Lie down completely. Let your body surrender to the bed beneath you. Close your eyes. Take one slow breath in and breathe out. Feel the 432 Hertz moving through you with every breath, like a gentle current of healing energy, flowing in, flowing through, flowing out. You are already beginning to heal. Let's breathe with the frequency. Breathe in slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel your entire body slowing down, matching the rhythm of 432 Hertz, the natural frequency of calm, of healing, of rest. One more breath in and out. Good. Now breathe naturally. The frequency carries you from here. As the 432 Hertz moves through your body, imagine it as a gentle golden wave, starting at the crown of your head, washing slowly downward through your face, your jaw releasing, your neck, every muscle softening, your shoulders dropping away completely, your chest rising and falling with the frequency, your heart beating in harmony with 432 Hertz, with the rhythm of the earth itself, your stomach relaxed and still, your hips heavy and at rest, your legs completely surrendered. Your feet, still and warm. Your entire body is now vibrating at the frequency of healing. Every cell responding, every system resetting. Your brain is moving into delta waves now, the deepest state of sleep, the state where the most profound healing happens. Memories consolidate, emotions integrate, physical repair accelerates. The 432 Hertz supports all of this. Working with your body, not against it, simply amplifying what your body already knows how to do. Breathe in and feel yourself sinking deeper, deeper into the frequency, deeper into healing, deeper into sleep. Let these words dissolve into your subconscious as you drift. Just receive them. I am healing with every breath. The 432 Hertz is restoring my mind and body. I sleep deeply and wake up renewed. Every cell in my body is regenerating tonight. I am safe. I am held. I am healing. My sleep is sacred and restorative. Tomorrow, I wake up lighter, clearer, more whole. Than today. You are drifting now into the deepest healing sleep. The 432 Hertz will continue to work through you all night. You don't need to stay conscious to receive its benefits. Let go completely. Sleep. Heal. Restore. Good night. You are in good hands. The hands of the universe itself, healing you. While you rest.